So, folks, Wonder Dog's after me. Let him go do his stuff and blow off some steam and all that good stuff, you know. So yeah, Lavander, I get it, but I ride him enough as it is. You know, he just turned 12 and he's got to put up with a Marine, and, you know, he don't have a mom, he's only got me. So he's a star student, a 4.0, he's a genius, and I'm going to cut him some slack. You know, he's a kid that everybody'd be proud to have. And he's going to make something in this world. He's not going to be here. You know, this kid is rocket scientist. He's won all the awards all the time, you know, and that's his talent. You know, he's always been 2 years ahead of American kids here. He's gifted, highly gifted by God. And, you know, it's so odd, at 2 years old at his baptism in the Philippines, the pastor had never met him, but she told us all this. So she had a talk with God the night before, I guess, and the Holy Spirit led her to tell us some things that have really proven to be true. And his mom wouldn't come here. She sent him with me, and then she disappeared. And although, you know, his aunts and uncles, his grandfather talked to him online and things, you know, there's no understanding a Filipino mind. Just absolutely none. I spent 11 years there, believe me, I know. And different country, different people, you know, 360-degree different culture than ours. And it is what it is. So the kid deserves a break now and then. He doesn't get a break when it comes to schoolwork or education. He doesn't, because I know he can do it, and it's easy for him, and I don't let him slack off. If I ride him about doing something on this equipment all the time, he's never going to want to use it now, is he? So that's the reason I try to keep it a positive experience. I'm 70 years old, guys. You know, I was raised, my stepdad was born in 1922. You know, I wasn't raised easy. You know, I didn't have anything easy my whole life. Nothing was given to me. I've got what I got because I worked. And I mean, he understands work, and he gets paid to work. But certain things I'm just not going to do. I ask God to help me.